Businesses are the main drivers of the world's economy. They have the power to create job opportunities and bring innovation. However, proper planning has to be done, and certain steps should be undertaken before a business is brought into existence. First comes a viable idea, then the materialization of that idea. Managing to penetrate the business world today can seem a little complex, but with the huge impact and financial tough times left by the COVID-19 pandemic, you need to toughen up and dive into business. As the world evolves, we all have an opportunity to create and run a business that will have an impact on ourselves, those around us, and ultimately a global impact. While we may not know the specific outcomes of our ideas, we can make our choices from a list of businesses that have a higher chance of exploding and surviving the current and future market. Have you been struggling with finding viable business ideas to venture into? Well, look no further. Today, I walk you through the best modern-day ideas for businesses that will explode in 2023. Before I let you in on the business secrets, click the like button. And if you've not yet subscribed, this is the moment. Number 1. Information Technology Consulting and Support. Did you know that IT is the fastest growing industry? Every business sector today is revolutionizing and adopting the use of technology. In fact, labor statistics reveal that the IT industry will experience a 100% increase in jobs, making it a go-to business. Everything we involve ourselves with today is directly connected to technology. Imagine a world with no smartphones, computers, or other digital devices. How would we survive? Millions of people turn to their phones and other devices immediately after they wake up to check their text messages, emails, banking accounts, and investments, among others. This simply tells us that the IT business is one of the thriving businesses that will continue to blossom even more. Chances are high that you have purchased an item by placing your order online. Whether young or old, people are opting to attend classes online and work from home. IT is making things much easier and will continue to do so in 2023. Businesses are also making it big with the help of IT. Technology has proven to play a vital role in the success stories of many organizations. Additionally, it offers lasting solutions to the most complex problems in the world today, making it vital for global sustenance. Leave me a comment down below telling me the kind of impact IT has brought you. Number 2. Real estate. We were definitely taught right. Property is crucial to human existence. Buying or selling a home, leasing or owning a property are all part of real estate. Despite the global events that have derailed the economy's recovery process, the real estate business has a great prospectus in terms of growth. We can all agree that the pandemic pushed people to their edges. It's only reasonable for people to start making plans for the future. We have people moving back to the cities after circumstances made them move away. Offices, rental apartments, and homes are about to be on demand, as people look to start fresh or pick up from where they left off. We can't deny that we may be far from experiencing properties with low value, but on the upside, due to high property prices, 2023 will bring in many profitable opportunities for real estate investors. Are you in the real estate business? Brace yourself and prepare for a smooth ride. Number 3. E-commerce. Did you order your favorite food, product, or service online and have it delivered? Give me a thumbs up if this is you. E-commerce is all about purchasing or selling products and services using the internet. The main ingredient of a successful e-commerce business is trust. Practicing transparency, authenticity, and being readily available to consumers are all vital in this business. With the need for physical contact reducing by the day, people prefer ordering things online. The e-commerce 2023 business will be huge, as the world has brought a revolution by combining e-commerce stores with numerous business ideas. With an average of 1.92 billion people making online purchases, the e-commerce sector has a huge number of potential buyers. E-commerce also gives business people an opportunity to sell their products to buyers from foreign countries via a website. While doing so, traditional retailers can test the viability of the market. Imagine being successful even before you open a physical store. That is a power that only e-commerce businesses possess. In fact, it is estimated that the e-commerce business will grow from $1.5 trillion in 2015 to $5.9 trillion in the year 2023. How tremendous is that? Even more interesting, e-commerce will likely take over the retail market. As customers continue to embrace the contactless and hassle-free mode of shopping, 2023 guarantees that e-commerce businesses will explode. Number 4. Social media marketing. Any person who owns a business knows how important it is to incorporate marketing to achieve success. Business owners adapted the traditional method of marketing that involved manually handing out printouts and using television and radio commercials. Today, the world has changed, and we have adapted social media marketing to reach a larger audience and ultimately increase sales. With great content, businesses can make use of social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok to reach a wide market area with minimized effort. The secret to a successful business is digital advertising, which requires creating engaging content and adapting targeted advertisements. Social media marketing allows businesses to reach different audiences based on the specific social platforms they use, by making use of cross-posting. Traditionally, we would advertise our businesses by word of mouth or other rather expensive means. Today, a simple click of a button could have you reaching millions of people at the same time on different platforms. Both small and large businesses continue to look for social media content creators who can help them market their businesses and increase their sales. Think of the different products and services you purchased or became aware of after seeing a social media post. As social media continues to be a powerful advertising tool, we cannot deny that it's the best way to stay in the competition and run a successful business. Number 5. Internet of Things, IoT industry. How many times have you used the internet today? I'm guessing countless times. We use the internet for pretty much everything. It makes it easier for us to pass on data and information using tools, sensors, software, and digital devices. It is fair to say that the pandemic paved the way for the internet to grow. Many of us have since gone the digital way. Our smartphones and home appliances operate using the internet. This business is therefore bound to grow even more in the future. People want to order takeout, make payments, communicate, and operate their appliances with ease, and in their own comfort. Predictions indicate that 2023 will usher in more than 43 billion internet-connected devices. These devices will be exemplary designed to help generate, share, collect, and make use of data in different ways. If you're looking for an idea for a business that will explode in 2023, then the internet is the way to go. Number 6. Website design. One of the crucial keys to any business's success is visibility. The more people know about your company and the services you offer, the higher chances your business has of success. A website allows you to introduce yourself to your target audience and showcase your work. Millions of people continue to start up businesses every day, and with this comes competition and the need to have more influence on the consumers. What better way to introduce yourself to the business world than have a well-designed website? The increase in demand and need for business to remain relevant and online is a guarantee of the bright future that web design business has. All it takes is being good with competitors, having an eye for design, learning web design, and basic coding skills for you to run a web design business. And if you use platforms such as Shopify, Wix, Squarespace, and so on, you don't even have to code. In a fast-growing digital world, almost every business and organization need to have a website. Imagine the amount of money you could make creating meaningful websites for the many businesses that come into existence. Number 7. Home healthcare services. In recent years, the number of people who opt for home healthcare services has greatly increased. It is no secret that healthcare services have become quite expensive. These businesses offer healthcare services given by health professionals, including registered nurses, nurse practitioners, and therapists. Home care aides are also services that are crucial in home care. The world's increased population has resulted in more patients in hospitals, which influences the quality of health services. To avoid this, people look for a second option, which is why home healthcare services are a great business to venture into. Can you remember when you had to watch a family member or a friend receive healthcare on a hospital bed while bills accrued and did not know what to do? Well, times have changed. Today, you can choose to give your loved one the best possible healthcare at home, surrounded by friendly faces, and on a budget of your own terms. Additionally, terminal illnesses tend to take a toll on both the patient and the person around them. With home healthcare services, patients can have an easier time and see meaning in the life they have left. The degree to which this business impacts human life makes it even more meaningful. This business is an opportunity to make money while you create and implement change. Number 8. Online education. Knowledge, as they say, is wealth. People continue to hunger and seek information that can only be acquired by learning. The business world has become immensely globalized, and employers all around the world are looking for employees who have international experience. Online education offers equal opportunity by providing courses that can be accessed by any student from any location. Given that these courses are more affordable and flexible, more students are likely to enroll. The high demand and need for education make the online education business a go-to business venture. Now you know the top businesses that will be exploding next year. You have an idea of what business to venture into and what to expect. Share this video and subscribe to the channel to see my next video. Thank you for watching. Until next time.